You had no, no. I have watched. I have two children. My older daughter now, she is the first child. She is in Delhi University studying law. My son is 8-9 years gap. So their values are different, and they are extremely, he is childish. She is always out of the teenage. So you cannot go and teach them. My son yesterday he took away the new cycle, the Decathlon, and the whole 2 days he is on that with the gap. And he was telling me all this, please come, environment, please do something about it. Great job. Yesterday we were in FAM for the last 2 days. He was asking me, wherever, even Shivalli MTR, Shivalli MTR, on the Mysore road, hotel is there. You must have seen some of them. The owner is very good friend. So he was there, and then I went, and he took all the family, and we ate everything. Then he made a signal like this. Then whereas Bill, my son is zapped. Baba, you have a lot of friends, no? Yeah, but all the time you can't take free. But today he is there. Then he said, I will give some Mossambi hybrid one. He had nursery. They put it in my farm. So we took it. And that gardener who said, Namaskara sir. That thing is, then we went to a hotel. He did another security guard, and I keep meeting. That the way you build up rapport with people. Okay, if I go to rally, I get down from vehicle, I wish everybody. Even security guard. You may be going in a car, very big car, but get down, connect to him, feel him, touch him. Okay? That makes. Morning I was in a poetry, some big function CD release was there. That Institute of World Culture watchman is there. He says, I just banged at him, and he just pulled out $100 and said, so we have an equation. It's not about giving money. So this my son definitely wants. I don't have to give any lecture on rapport building and being good to people. Okay? The servants, my neighbors. So if you treat good in front of your children, definitely they don't have to give all these lectures. You practice it. Please, you are a father. Identity as a father, you practice it. Okay? Don't smoke in front of them. Don't smoke. So all these things matters. You don't fight in front of children. Okay? They think this fighting is a value. So all these can become rigid things if you ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ some movement, I am a part of this place. But the problem with some people is they don't believe anybody. They don't believe themselves. The problem is the very big problem. And they sometimes if they believe a wrong man. The problem is you attract, the like attracts likes. Please be careful. You carry your own aura, and that kind of people attracts. You should be so strong, the bad elements will not affect you. That's why reason meditate and be with positive-minded people. Develop intuitive powers to gauge people. Intelligence will not give. It may give. So this, you have a choice. Having a choice is better than not having it. You had a choice to come or not come. You have choose to come. And there are hundreds of people who are not come. That means they are bad? No. They have choice. Their choice is not to come. Some choice was, Timaya will be speaking. Now, when he is not here, I am taken the choice. Okay? He requested, please take it. And he is my guru for the last 15 years. Whatever in the minimum form, I can do some justice. So, you need to have choice. You need to say, no, you say, you give two choices. I will have this, I will have this. No. You have to have a choice, make a choice. So, the presupposition of NLP is you have to choose. Otherwise, you have problem. Every day you have to take a decision. Correct, sir? Everything is a choice. ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಊಟ ಬಿಸಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾ, ತಣ್ಣಗಿರಬೇಕಾ, ಊಟ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಆಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಇವ್ರು ನಂಬೇಕಾ ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾ? All is a choice. Whether I marry her or her, especially during the marriage. She is a rich, she is an ordinary background. All that. Yes, sir? How many choices? Whether I should take medicine, engineering, or choice. Full of choices. Just go back. Every day, morning, evening, night, choice. Whether which serial I choose, choice. Especially some of the Kannada serials, which are scheming serials are coming. Choice. Every day choice. So, please. And next thing which I would like to stress upon is how to build a rapport with people. Let us think. How to build a rapport. Those who are right like this, if he goes back, you just see, I'll tell a story. Now all of you go back when you are 15 years. Imagine. Your eyes tends to go to right, correct? This is what? Correct? And auditory sounds, okay? Those who are auditory too much sound, like this, they'll be moving. If the eyes is like this, that he is thinking in the past. Okay? If the eyes are this, thinking about future. If the eyes are he move ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಎರಡು ಕಣ್ಣು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಡಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫೆಲೋ. He is very disturbed with the sounds. Okay? And those who are feeling low like this, just think a person, can you just sit like this, see the ground? I think naturally you start feeling. You got it? So feeling. If somebody, you ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಒಂದು bus stop or wherever in the public place, you just watch people. Amazing. Just railway, airports. Just if they are alone especially. They'll be doing 101 things. They'll be giving body language. So this is how you develop rapport with different kind of people. Okay? And those who are having an internal dialogue too much, okay, there will be dialogue happening like this. Okay, these people will be, if the this left side, they'll be thinking about the future, worrying or thinking something. These guys will be worried about the past. I wish I should not have done it. You watch next time when you're doing it. So adenagutte, if you are sensitive to this, you can talk according to that. Okay, and eye positions as looking at other persons. You have to. This is NLP. Okay? NLP is about pure rapport building. NLP is not for the people who are in Himalayas. Okay? Himalayas, they don't need NLP. NLP is for the people who are here in the world. Okay. So, and another one, beautiful one. Okay. Then some message you got it. Okay. External events and information, you get it. Okay. For example, you get a message that one particular movie. Let us take which movie you would like to take. Example, Bahubali. Okay. Most people have seen. Before it comes, let us just imagine it has not come. Bahubali, I created, not a rush to create again. 200 crores they spent. The external events and information, Bahubali is not yet released. Okay. And what you will do it, you will take it, and what you may do it, it must be like something like any other movie, generalize. You don't do either of the three things you will do. One thing is generalize, distort or delete. Okay? This must be something like this. No, it must be a fantasy movie. So whatever you make a presupposition before itself, ಕೆಲವು delete ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, no, you will project things, you will add things, you will distort it. The same with people. The moment you see him, he must be a con man. He must be a miser. This person should not be trusted. You make delusion. External information gives wrong thing. Now, he may talk in a way. Some people, they'll be asking more questions. For example, my clients, your clients must be. Those who are asking more and more data, facts, or logical guys. Okay? You don't tell any stories to them. Just prove it with facts and figures. They'll get it. If A plus B plus C is so much cost, the minus and all, so this will come something Z. Okay? Now they'll ask questions. They'll Google it also. They'll not trust you. My God. No, it seems it is so nice. It seems though, it works. Just look into it. For example, building a house. For example, look how many sort of clients I get. All kind of clients. Logical clients, feeling oriented. For example, house for some people it's a dream. For how ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಮನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಕನಸಿನ ಮನೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ. ಮನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, I want a dwelling, I want some small room, I don't want. Let it be small. So, for some people, having a house, their own house, is a dream. Okay? For some people, it's a necessity. For some people, okay, we have prestige issue. Okay? My younger brother has a 2-bedroom, I will have 3 bedrooms, so that I am more identity increases. I am more richer. So he has a Skoda, I will have Mercedes. Why? Because he has a Skoda. See, the problem with this is not what the vehicle will do from point A to point B, same thing, but this will guzzle your diesel. Okay. Yesterday we were in the highway. My XUV gives around 12 up 13 kilometers. There are some Ferrari, all those guys. I told my son, for 2-3 liters, at least Indian car, yeah, good one, yeah, looking nice looking. No, how fast it goes. Fast what? It takes its own diesel. So please understand, anything you have to distort you. He can't be trusted. So Prem Kumar is speaking on meditation. How can he build houses? Possible? Possible or not? Very much possible. I tell, I have so many things, but I am as a profession, but I am into I am not doing anything. For my livelihood, I do this. But this is my passion. Okay? This gives me satisfaction. That's my thing. So we distort, generalize, and delete. For every stage you see, you distort about the situation, you delete certain thing, you generalize. All Sindhis are cheaters. Because look, 1 or 2 people have done. All Vaishyas, be careful. Vaishyas, they calculate. Some people are this. All generalize. If 1 or 2 Swamis are bad, they say generally all are bad. How can it be possible all are bad? Correct? If one actor has committed some crime, all actors are bad. Not possible. So the problem with you is, some of them, by and large, all are good. Here and there, some are bad elements are there. That's all. How can you say the industry itself is bad? The whole community is bad? All are rapists. How can somebody say all are rapists? How can you all are? Some people are perverted guys. Okay, they are not brought up in a good environment. Who becomes that? There's a story behind it. Okay, they have done a lot of research on it. Most of them, because well down to lower economical strata, they have the inferiority thing. They want to compete with it. They have their own belief system. Don't think terrorist has a belief system. And a good person has a belief system. A saint has a belief system. A sinner has a belief system. Correct? So what do you say? There also, I've seen tumba jana generalize ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾಯಕರು. ತುಂಬಾ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. So ಅಲ್ಲೊಬ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲೊಬ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೋಸಗಾರರೇ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದಾಟ್. ಯದ್ಭಾವಂ ತದ್ಭವತಿ. ಇವನ್ ದ ಮೋಸಗಾರ, ಅವನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವನಾಗಿದ್ರು ಮೋಸಗಾರ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎ ಮೋಸಗಾರ. Some of the project I undertake, if the clients are really cooperating, the project moves so beautifully. If they are doubting us, not having trust, it goes like this. You also don't trust. Simple rapport. It's just give and take. ನೋಡಿ, ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಆಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ದೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಅಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಗಿವ್, you get what you give. You give trust, you get it back. You give the doubt, they give it back. Always be careful. And it goes through all these time, space, language, memory, space, decision, attitude, beliefs, all filters we call it. ನನಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಂತೆ, you know what, one person, I know him, has taken 5 lakhs in place called Magadi to get an engineering seat for one person. Is a good, in a very good position. Last 4 years he is not giving back the amount because that avanu student nan bad adan hogalla annante. What he has taken he should have given back. Okay. So on that occasion I said all these community people are bad. I can't tell that. I called him and requested, see, this has come to my attention, please give back. So don't go in time and space, language. Repeatedly say all are cheaters, all are cheaters, all are cheaters. What you do repeatedly. Okay. So please don't do it. And based on your past experience. Okay. ಹಳೆ ಅನುಭವನ ನೀವು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ತಪ್ಪದು. ಹಳೆ ಅನುಭವ ಹಳೆಯದು, ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು? Why can't? And today's bath is not tomorrow's bath. Today's food is not tomorrow's food. Today you are eating uppittu. After 1 week you use uppittu. It's not the same uppittu. It is different. It is different idli. It is different dosa. How can you say no? That day dosa is the same as this. No, it is not. You are 7 days older. Okay? You are 7 days more experience you have. Like that. Then it goes to internal representation, comes to the state and the physiology, then the behavior starts. Then they will think, the moment, I don't trust him, you come and see. Now you shake hand, you shake hand. How are you, sir? How are you? Like this. If I tell, how are you? How is this? See this. Come here. How is this? This is better, Okay. He is looking at my eyes, I am looking somewhere. I am not trustworthy. You understand? Next time, whoever doesn't look into the eyes, is very sure that they are. So, these kind of verbal body cues you have to observe. Always think that matching, pacing. Okay. If he is sitting, better I sit. Okay. If he stands, come, better I stand. I created a rapport. I created one level. Okay. I created one level. It's easy. Okay. We go on talking. We go to a Rotary Club meeting. We go on talking. If I am sitting, you are standing. Very internally the rapport. Okay. Please next time onwards, if some of the feeling oriented people, they hug. I hug. That's my way of sending message. Okay. So some people, that's so, because why he will come near, so that is the way. But he's not bad. They're not bad. That is the way. No, last time I met one Punjabi, they are all ruffians, I should better be careful. The past experience is affecting you. Why can't you look? Not all people are rough. Mandya guys, all are rough. I am a Mandya. I am rough, but I am not rough to everybody. Okay? So like that, everywhere you have to go on creating new openings. Can I see Prem Kumar differently today? 10 years back, some people they can't accept me today. But 10 years back I was not like this. 20 years back I was not like this. 30 years back I was not like this. Okay? Madam would have told me, what Chandrasekhar, what you go to empty space pyramid? Kya milta hai? Maybe she has understood, she has come. Next time, Okay, yeah, good. You'll start doing together. You may meet more friends like that. And your children also follow. They're molded. I always tell, mold your children to be free.